In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDFs or URLs for Elementor form acceptance fields. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled Pages and click it. This will open a list of all the pages on your site. Find the page that contains the form where you want to add a PDF or a URL to the acceptance field. Hover your mouse over that page title and you'll see several options appear underneath it. Click on Edit with Elementor. This will open that page inside the Elementor editor. Once the editor loads, locate the form on your page and click directly on it. As soon as you do, the form settings will appear in the left panel. Make sure you are on the Content tab and look for the Form Fields or Form Layout section. Here you'll see a list of all the fields currently in your form. If you don't have an acceptance field yet, click on Add Item and then choose Acceptance as the field type. If you already have an acceptance field, simply click on that field to edit it. In the settings for the acceptance field, find the acceptance text area. This is where you will paste the HTML code provided in the video description. If you want to link to a regular page or any URL, use the first HTML code and replace only the URL after href with your own website link. If you want to link directly to a PDF file, use the second HTML code, and again, just replace the URL inside href with the direct link to your PDF. The important thing is that you only change the part inside the quotation marks after href, and, if you like, the clickable text that appears to users, such as terms and conditions or privacy policy. Make sure you keep the rest of the HTML code exactly as it is. Elements like the opening and closing anchor tags and attributes like target set to open in a new tab need to stay in place so that the link works correctly. When you're done editing the text, you can use the preview option to see how the acceptance field looks on the front end. Check that the link appears correctly and that it opens the right page or PDF. If everything looks good and works as expected, go to the top right corner of the Elementor editor and click Update or Publish to save your changes. Your form acceptance field is now linked to your chosen PDF or URL.